Good morning, closet friends. Well, finally, some decent weather. My goodness me, I'd forgotten what the sun looked like. It's been a fantastic weekend and a good chance to get out there in the garden and do some cleaning up. Oh my goodness me, and is there ever some cleaning up to do? I bet everybody's been in the same boat. So now I have to think buying flowers and shrubs and plants. I'm not very good at this. So if there's any tips you can give me, I want something that's indestructible. I want something that I can plant in my plant pots and then it will just look lovely the whole summer. And then it will let's say hibernate over the winter and then come back. Well, I know that that's impossible. There's a few failures that I'm going to have to dig out of the flower pots, and I feel a bit bad about that. I mean, they did try, but they just didn't pass muster, did they? So out they have to go. So I guess I'll be looking for some tips here on what's hardy for bad gardeners like me. Maybe you can give me some ideas. These are the days you see in Canada. You have to do all of that yourself unless you hire a landscaper. And in my days in Africa, I had my wonderful gardener chap, and I would say, let's dig a bed there, and he would do it, and it was just magical. And I don't know. Those were good days, good memories. But now I'm in Canada, so I have to do it myself and I don't know what I'm doing. So if you've got any tips to give me, please fire away. Have a good week.